Audio CD 1, Track 56, Unit 2, Buying Train Tickets. Jane is buying a train ticket. Let's see. I have to catch a train to Big Berg and then get a flight to San Francisco. Piece of cake.
May I help you?
I'd like to buy a ticket to Big Berg.
Will that be round trip or one way?
Round trip.
Would you like to take an express train or a local train? The express train gets you there in only 2 hours.
How much more is it?
Express train tickets are about $10 more.
I'll take the express then.
Would you like a first-class compartment, a sleeper car compartment, or just a regular seat?
Just a regular seat, please.
Aisle or window? Guaranteed seat or first come, first served?
A guaranteed aisle seat, please.
You can choose the 9 o'clock express departing from platform 1 or the 11 o'clock departing from platform 2.
This is too complicated. I thought it would be a piece of cake.
We do have a dining car.